it's your girl, what's up? How you doing? How you dipping? And today we are making biscuits.
Paw Patrol biscuits.
Paw Patrol biscuits. Yeah, look. It's a very sophisticated video. I'm gonna say...
Hi, Tina.
Shut up, we don't want to know about the cat. I'm sorry if we speak weird in this video.
No,
we're sorry if we act weird in this video. And also, thank you so much for the subscribers. I actually really do appreciate it. We need 8 more, then we've hit 200. How about it?
How about it?
Anyways,
Are you recording?
yeah.
We've already put the water and the biscuit mix in. Yeah, I've got to mix it with your hand more. No, you don't. And now we need to add 25 ml of butter. This is not going to be so close. Faster, faster. Can't. You've got 3 seconds. Don't. 20. Oh, it's already there.
Casey's just made everything worse. Stop. I hate mess. I actually hate mess. Look what she's done. She's put the cookie mixture in there. From the cell fire. And George and Tina are sat there like, what's going on? And look at this mess. No! Look at my iPad, got it everywhere. Look at your jumper. And you still... Look. That's gonna set on fire, I'm scared. Oh yes, yes, I don't like you. Just hit my teeth on it.
Casey, you have ruined everything. You've made it too watery. I swear this girl's thick.
Do you want me to drop your phone on the floor? Do you want that, Naomi? Move, get out of my house.
You've
She's
ruined
stressed.
everything. Well, I'm bound to be stressed when I'm with you.
There you go.
No, it won't.
This is the icing we have. And this is the cookie mixture. So, no, it's a cookie. We're going to make a cookie, aren't we? So, right, cookie, of course. So, get a pan or something that we can put the cookie. Oh, we've already put it in the oven. That's supposed to be our cookie. Yeah. We'll see how that turns out then, Casey. I just want to write something. Hi. It's okay. What's up? How's it? How's it? Can't fit it all on. No, it's a 200. Right. Clear up the mess. No! No! That can walk with the water. I'm sorry, it's smacked me on the face card. I'm talking on one eternity later.
Oh, yeah, and if you guys didn't know, I am getting braces on the 24th.
I do. And before all of you out there.
But yeah,
What you were recording that with?
where's our cake? Oh, shall I say cookie? Is it still in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just leaving it in for a little bit longer.
It is actually going hard. I think.
Yeah, it's going hard. So once it's done though, we're gonna like press it down, if you know what I mean. So it like, yeah.
I'm going to do that now. But I also not show it. Press it down before it goes hard.
Nice.
I've put water in there. I haven't really joking.
What the hell have we done, Casey?
And once it's done, we're going to add some icing on it and Keith. Can I eat it? I want to eat Marshall. Oh no, Marshall has to go in the cookie. I've never had sugar butty.
Do you think it'll burn me if I touch it? What have you created?
No, that was because I dropped water on it though.
Oh,
Okay, so we've took it out and there we go. Casey's just getting it out to squish it down. So you've got to squeeze it down. Squeeze it down then. You have to squeeze it down. And then we're gonna add the icing and the Marshall.
Yeah, there's no point in recording that.
Well, I can speak to him while I do it, can't I?
Let's do it.
Are you ready?
I'm really happy with this.
This.
Are you big?
Are you ready? Right, it's gonna look.
Should we go to play or should we leave it in this?
I don't know what does it.
Because it's come out, it's like expanded.
Does it look bad?
There, should we put it
You're magic.
Oh, this is the finishing product. Oh, my tongue is.
Take a
Wow.
bite of it. I want to.
This is so good. Wow, it's got chocolate chips in it and all. Does it taste good? Is it actually nice? Oh my god, Claire, we are full
Yeah.
gum. I don't want it. Whoops. We went
Put the camera.
Look.
Wait, record. All my haters will say it's fake.
Yeah, it wasn't fake.
Imagine that, Tina. Tina.
The proof
Imagine making a fake. Oh, it's
is
George. It's George. Imagine that, George, make a fake cake. Do that.
Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and comment if you want more of these type of videos and subscribe. Love ya.
And by the way, we're making a cupcake one in like 10 minutes.
Yeah, love ya.
Love that.